Hey guys, welcome back. So we are looking at another video dealing with ChatGPT plugin. The plugin we are now looking at is called Bookworm. So Bookworm is an AI powered personalized book recommendation scanning countless titles to find your perfect read. So I've installed this plugin and I've enabled this plugin. So before we move into prompts, let's actually learn what this plugin does. So these are the three things what this plugin can do. One is it can find you book recommendations. So if you mention a book, like the plugin can recommend similar books for you. So the plugin I tried was Lean Startup. It can suggest you book about entrepreneurship and startups. So let's actually move into the demo. I would like to ask it to find me books here. So Lean Startup is a very popular startup book. Many of you who deal with startups might have read this book. So if you like this book, I would like to know which other books have startup stories and gives you tips on starting a startup efficiently, like Lean Startup. So I have asked the plugin to give me some similar books. So 0 in 1 Notes on Startups or How to Build a Future is book on startups. It's written by Peter Thiel. So you know Peter Thiel. He has funded many companies like Palantir and PayPal and other companies. So he's a very popular guy and a successful entrepreneur. And the next one is The Hard Thing About Hard Things: Building a Business When There Are No Easy Answers, by Ben. I don't know the last name, so I don't even want to pronounce it. So you can read it. This book is brutally honest on the difficulties of running a startups. And this is a very popular hedge fund who have invested in many companies like Facebook early on. So in Silicon Valley, it's a very popular startup. And the next one is Founders at Work: Stories of Startups Early Days, by Jessica Livingston. So this book is a collection of interviews with founders of famous technology companies about what happened in the very earliest days. It's a great source of inspiration and a raw look for startups. So similarly, there might be any book that is of interest to you. It can give you a similar book suggestions, and that's it. So if you link on this, I think it takes you to Amazon. You can order the book right there. Or if you are on Kindle, you can just get it on Kindle. So coming back to the next one, book search. So if there are many times it has happened to me where you remember a story, you know the plot, but you don't remember what book it is. So to create that scenario, I have a story here, and the script was also converted into a Bollywood movie. So Bollywood is the India type movies. I'm trying to cover, since the first one was startups, so I'm just trying to cover different set of stories here. So yeah, I've asked it and you will have access to this prompts. So if you ask similar prompts, I think ChatGPT can give you similar prompts like this. So yeah, the movie is named Two States. So if we search Two States, the plot is something similar. So there's a Bollywood movie by name Two States, and it's on IMDb, or it's on Netflix too, I believe. I don't know. It should be on Netflix. And this is what the story is about. So similarly, the third part of this plugin is it can give you book information. So similarly, if you want to know, if you basically remember the author, let's basically take this. Okay, let me ask it, give me list of books written by this gentleman. So let's see whatever book he has written. We should get a list of books, whatever he has written. Cool. So this seems to be the only book he has written. Okay, yeah, there are more books too. So what you do is Who You Are and How to Create a Business Culture. Yeah. So yeah, if he has just had authored one book, then there is only one. But yeah, he has authored two books. And similarly, we can do one more prompt here, and I can ask him who is the author of Two States and what are his other books. So I think 5 Point Someone was his most popular book. Whatever he has written, it was the bestseller. It's more about financial management, and even a movie was made on that. And there should be Three Mistakes of My Life and Half Girlfriend, many other books this author has written. And yeah, I just seem to know that because when I was in college days, I used to read some of his books. That's why I know about this author. So yeah, this was another book I haven't read. I don't know. I've read the 5 Point Someone and the Three Mistakes of My Life. This is about a story of earthquake in a place in India and how these guys had started a business and how they were affected. Revolution 2020 I haven't read. Half Girlfriend is also a movie. You can look it up. Yeah, next one is Half Girlfriend. It's also a movie, and probably this is the last book I've read. I don't know if he has written anything else after that. So these are some of his books which he has written. So this plugin is really useful for you if you are a voracious reader, or if you are reading something, or if you know a story, you want to find out what book it was. This plugin might help you. I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.